A brief summary of Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People. Techniques: how to handle all the people. Don't criticize, condemn or complain. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Arouse in the other person an eager want. How to make people like you. Become genuinely interested in other people. Smile. Remember that a person's name is to that person the sweetest and most important sound in any language. Be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. Talk in terms of the other person's interests. Make the other person feel important, and do it sincerely. How to win people on your way of thinking. The only way to get the best of an argument is to avoid it. Show respect for the other person's opinions. Never say, "You're wrong." If you are wrong, admit it quickly and emphatically. Begin in a friendly way. Get the other person saying, "Yes, yes," immediately. Let the other person do a great deal of the talking. Let the other person feel that the idea is his or hers. Try honestly to see things from the other person's point of view. Be sympathetic with the other person's ideas and desires. Appeal to the nobler motives. Dramatize your ideas. Throw down a challenge. Be a leader. How to change people without giving offense or arousing resentment. Begin with praise and honest appreciation. Call attention to people's mistakes indirectly. Talk about your own mistakes before criticizing the other person. Ask questions instead of giving direct orders. Let the other person save face. Praise the slightest improvement and praise every improvement. Be hearty in your approbation and lavish in your praise. Give the other person a fine reputation to live up to. Use encouragement. Make the fault seem easy to correct. Make the other person happy about doing the thing you suggest. What can we do if people criticize? Criticism is futile because it puts a person on the defensive and usually makes him strive to justify himself. Criticism is dangerous because it wounds a person's precious pride, hurts his sense of importance, and arouses resentment. Any fool can criticize, condemn and complain, and most fools do. But it takes character and self-control to be understanding and forgiving. A famous quote by Thomas Carlyle: "A great man shows his greatness by the way he treats little men." How to deal the people. When dealing with people, let us remember we are not dealing with creatures of logic. We are dealing with creatures of emotion, creatures bristling with prejudices and motivated by pride and vanity. How to influence other. The only way on earth to influence other people is to talk about what they want and show them how to get it. What is the secret of success? If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.